Hello, my name is Mike Davies. I'm the CEO and founder of Carocell Bio, and as you can see, I'm based in Manchester in the UK.
Hi there, I am Graham Coombe. I'm not really sitting on a beach in Barbados, but I am in Oxford, and I am the Business Development Director for Carocell Bio.
And we are developing novel peptides to prevent the formation of a scar. The inflammatory disease market is a huge market. Everybody will get an inflammatory disease at some point in their life. Inflammation results in the formation of a scar after an operation. So 100% of people who have an operation involving an incision will get a scar. This leads to a post-operative scarring market of over $30 billion. Currently, there is nothing to prevent the formation of a scar. We've raised 1.5 million over the previous 2 years, including an Innovate UK grant to look at the effects of inflammation after a burn. We're seeking an extra nearly $3 million to demonstrate a preclinical proof of efficacy over this first year. We're seeking a total of 9 million over the next 2 years to get us ready for clinical development. There is nothing to prevent the formation of a scar. There are treatments, it's a $37 billion market that can be used to try and reduce the effects of an already formed scar, such as pressure garments, high pressure water treatments, which is very popular in France, and topical creams and oils. Topical steroids will reduce the redness of a scar, but the scar will still be there. Carocell Bio are developing a new treatment that will be steroid-free and will be safe and should prevent the formation of a scar. Inflammation is a massive market. These other opportunities are things we could go into later on. We're focusing now on post-operative scar prevention because there are 10 million operations a year in England alone, and every one of those will lead to the formation of a scar. Carocell Bio is a UK-based biotechnology company that was founded by myself. We've licensed novel peptides that were developed by AstraZeneca, and these peptides have a new mechanism of action in that they not only switch off inflammation, they also prevent the activation of inflammation. And we use a nanoparticle delivery to deliver these peptides into the cells. Patents have been granted in the US, in Japan, and in Europe. China should happen later this year, probably early next year. Some of the scientific data, we're targeting something called MAP kinase, P38 alpha, which is the orchestrator of inflammation. That orchestrator of inflammation is a recognized target that people have tried before with small molecules and failed. Our peptides, which we show in the final slide, bind allosterically on this MAP kinase and have a different mechanism of action. And we've demonstrated that we can not only switch off inflammation, we can prevent the activation of inflammation. The center slide is showing that we can deliver these peptides actually into human cells. We will develop this treatment to prevent the formation of a scar as a low pressure spray that the surgeon will apply in the theatre, and then we'll apply probably every day for the next 3 or 4 days. This will ameliorate the inflammation that you see in the scar, afterwards, and that will reduce the collagen deposition into the scar and so reduce the scar formation. Traction, we got our Innovate UK grant and the seed investment with Deep Bridge Capital. We're seeking an extra 2.7 million over this next year to demonstrate this works in human tissue and to do a scar prevention study in a pig model. We'll then be seeking an extra 6 million to take us through to regulatory approval for clinical trials by the end of 2023. And then we'll be seeking a further 30 million to get us to clinical proof of concept by the middle to end of 2026. This is how we will spend the 2.7 million investment over this next year. The team, myself, John Nicholson, and who's our chairman, and Anne McKee, who's based in Florida, is our CFO. And you can contact us for more information at our UK office. We do have a US office that is available, and of course on our desert islands, as you can see. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.
And also, I'd just like to mention that we will be attending the Genesis event in person, so please do look out for us, and we will also be on the virtual event as well, so you can contact us there too.
Thanks, Graham. Thank you.
Okay, all the best. Bye.